Hi everyone, welcome my Star Food Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make garlic prawns. Yes, garlic prawn is so yummy and very simple one dish. This is for all my recipe. I know everyone has different garlic prawns recipe. Okay, let's get started now. All ingredients are, we need some peeled frozen raw prawns, 4 or 5 cloves crushed or finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon some chili, and 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, some olive oil, and finally, if you have fresh parsley, you can add fresh parsley, but I don't have. I just made like this. For the preparation, from here I put my pan onto the oven and I need the heat turn on like this, and now I need to add my peeled and frozen raw prawn into my pan. I wait now for prawns getting a little bit cooked and absorbed all water. My garlic water is already gone. Now I need to add my olive oil, 2 tablespoons into the prawns like this. And now I need to crush my garlic with my crusher. I got 5 garlic. Like this. I didn't chop, just I need to crush. That's it. When I add my garlic, now I need to cook gently prawn and garlic together. In 1 or 2 minutes. After 1 or 2 minutes, now I need to add my chili flakes into the prawn, my oregano into the prawn, my white pepper into the prawn, and some salt into the prawn. Cook very gently. My garlic prawns is already cooked, is enough. Now I need to turn off my oven like this, and I need to serve. This is my garlic prawns. Please, can you try one day? And you can believe like that. I tried. It tastes beautiful. Smell is so nice. I hope everyone like it. Okay. Have a nice day. Enjoy your garlic prawn. Bye.